We can do it.
We can do it, episode 1. Chaz is out of town, and I bought this piece of furniture that I really wanted assembled before we had guests come visit because I'm going to store things in it, and I feel like it's just going to make this room look more complete. But since he's not here to assemble it for me. I was trying to talk Nolan into assembling it.
Yeah, thanks, Nolan.
Wasn't going well. I'm apparently lazy some days or anything.
We also didn't sell it because the AC's broken.
Oh yeah, there's no AC, which is why we have this fan here. So I called Chaz today and told him that, you know, we had tried to talk Nolan into it, but I guess I just wasn't gonna assemble it because it has 8,000 pieces. And he said, what if you and Mary try to do it?
And filmed it.
Yeah, and filmed it and used it as, you know, a challenge to be able to do things when your husbands are gone.
Yeah, because inevitably, anytime they go on TDY, training, deployment, everything's gonna break, or you're gonna have to put things together by yourself.
So we're like, sure, we'll do it. We're up for the challenge. Randy's over here. It's gonna be a video about us trying to assemble this furniture. We're gonna show you what it's supposed to look like. Look at all these pieces. What? 3 boxes of things. I haven't even opened them all.
It looks like a lot.
Yeah, I'm telling you. That's why I'm like, how am I supposed to do this?
Wow.
And hopefully it won't take us 18 years.
Oh yeah, okay, let's put our guesses in. It is 5:30 p.m.
Is it 5:30?
Yeah. What we've been doing? I don't know.
It's taken me 80 years to clean my room. But I've been cleaning in the house today. So hopefully we can be done by, what do you think, like 7:30?
I feel like 8.
You think it'll take that long?
Yes.
If we get bored, we might go get gelato.
If we get too hot.
Yeah, if we get too hot, I'm already sweating and we haven't even done anything yet.
We're gonna document this process.
We hope you love this vlog.
If you love this, if you love us, Sydney and Mary, doing things.
We hope this encourages you to also do it yourself. Or actually, maybe at the end of this, we'll tell you to just wait the 3 weeks for your husband to be home.
Or pay the extra money for them to do it. But I don't think so because we don't need no man. Do you like this series? Let us know. What's the first things we need? Do you have a knife to cut these open?
Oh yeah, that's what I meant to get. Do you think that sun is too much? Direct?
Maybe should we open this one and close that one?
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking.
Oh, I'm gonna do a stopwatch and see how long it takes us. Starting.
I can't believe it's 5:30. You know what time I started on my room?
At what time?
I'm pretty sure it was like 1:15. I've been craving salads. Like, I'm just thinking like, it literally took me and Chaz 2 hours to put our bed together.
So you think it won't take us that long?
This looks like more pieces in the bed.
No.
These are just all boards.
Okay.
So we can push that to the side. How do you do that?
What?
Well, I think my nails maybe restrict me.
This looks just like the top.
What in the world?
So it must be in one of these.
That's why I'm like, how are we supposed to know what that is? Is this metal?
It might be these small guys.
But don't they look tiny?
No, it's not those. It's like a wooden piece. What are the shapes?
Like that? Oh, it's the
It's
bottom
the bottom,
of it.
yeah.
Is it?
Oh, it's probably this. We're 11 minutes in and we just found
The first piece.
step 1.
Mary said, is this it? She goes, maybe these are it. And this is what it actually is.
Oops. Well,
How are you supposed to know though? You know?
yeah.
We're off to a great start.
Yeah, things are great. We already finished step number 1. It doesn't tell us how many steps there are, but we're feeling really confident. And look at all these screwdrivers we have.
We're on to something great.
We are, and I've definitely put things together before when I was in college.
I do too.
Like,
Probably Ikea furniture, honestly.
it was Ikea. It's so funny we're still buying Ikea.
54. Actually, I feel like you should get a close up. One of these is like a little bit questionable.
This is only the base, the foundation of it, so it should be fine. You're still tight?
Yeah.
This one doesn't feel tight.
Is it connecting to the thing then?
And they can't go any more to the right, but it's so easy to go backwards. That one seems fine.
Let's look at it and see. I think it was put in wrong. I think I just got lucky with how I put mine in actually, because I think there is a direction and I did not pay attention to that. Oh my god. Yeah, because if you look at them, I guess they do. I didn't really pay attention to that.
Well, but it wouldn't have gone in the other way, so it must be right.
I think we might have done something wrong.
We're on step 4.
No, we're backing.
Mary, do you know that this never even crossed my mind that like this should maybe be on the inside?
Gone too far.
How do we know for sure?
We're stuck on step 3 because of me. We have one of these guys. This thing, you know? Oh, wait. That
better
is
than
good.
it was.
That's much better.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks.
Thanks. Bye. Ciao. It's been an hour and 6 minutes.
Oh my god.
And we're on step 6. The good news was this didn't end up being the wrong way.
Yeah, we thought that we had actually screwed this in wrong. But we didn't.
We didn't. It just looks wrong.
And then we went on a treasure hunt for this piece.
It took us a long time.
Yeah, they don't have them like lettered or anything. So you're just hunting for what you think is right.
So IKEA, if you're watching this, maybe you should put letters on
The boards and stuff.
Yeah, we do like the picture instructions. One time I took a woodworking class. I made a birdhouse.
Did you?
Yeah.
This hole is tiny.
So we live about, how far is IKEA for you guys?
No.
An hour, yeah. We're right in the middle of the 2 IKEAs and it's 55 minutes to either. We're just talking a little bit and we both decided we're hungry after all this hard work.
You should just play this for the night tonight.
I know it. Dang.
No one.
But this one looks horrible.
Oh.
I don't know. Okay. Now where?
Okay, now we skip this one. Right? And then we go, because this is a long size. So we go, there's still 4.
This is not the most fun step. We're supposed to shove this guy in, but it won't fit in our little holes we made. Oh, there you go.
Oh wait, I'm making progress.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna try. I feel like I want to put this in
Oh, that sounds good.
and then get this one.
Okay.
That part looks fine.
Wait.
Oh, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Woo!
Oh, that felt good.
I know.
Okay,
Wow. I'm not
so-
wasting our time on these. If they don't go, they don't. We're just, it'll fall apart. I don't care.
And time hack 127. I feel like we're doing
cooking.
pretty good. We're good.
We're cooking. Okay.
10. 10. How do you guys say 10?
Slide hog down.
Oh.
Oh,
Yep.
heck yeah.
Yep. That felt right.
Amazing.
Okay.
All
2
right.
hours. We decided, we actually got really distracted and started talking about things. So we're taking a food break. One bar, check it out. Sponsor
I was
us.
salving like it was candy.
So yeah, we built the base. What step are we on?
13, guys.
Okay. So now we're really motivated and we're going quick. It's 2 hours, 17 minutes. So we have 13 minutes to finish. That's when I said.
I don't think I ever even said.
Oh,
Well,
I think I said 2 hours actually.
okay.
We need screws.
We need to screw these stupid ass.
All right, these are the death of us.
Yeah, they are. But these look a little bit different.
Are they the ones with the thing in it? I guess they're all the same. Okay.
Yeah, it looks like this guy. Yep.
On the outside or the inside?
All right, so they go on the outside ones, the little holes, of course, because why would they go on these? Because they're too big.
Yeah.
Do you think Nolan would already have this done?
1,000%.
Yeah, now I'm like feeling some type of way about it. I don't think it's gonna cover that wooden thing. Does that matter?
Well, not if it, yeah, it won't if it's centered. That's neither here nor there.
Yeah, this one and this one.
Oh, okay.
Wait, why does that look weird?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's right.
Okay, it's 8 o'clock and we did it. We are on 20.
Did we already tell them what we tried to do for in 12 minutes? I don't know.
I don't know.
We tried to get from like what, 15 to 20 in 12 minutes, and we did it at 8 on the dot.
That was actually amazing. Okay, so we're gonna check back in at 8:15.
8:15.
And what number do you think we're gonna be on? Or what number will we be on?
So we're on 20 now, maybe 27.
Okay, I think 26.
Okay.
Update, it is 8:15 and we just made some moves.
That was actually, yeah, that was 27. We finished.
27. We did it. New goal.
What's our new goal?
Let's say 9 o'clock.
45
You
minutes?
think that's too far?
done?
8:45.
8:45 with what step?
48. What do you think?
That's in 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be on, I'll say we'll be on step 50
Okay.
in 30 minutes.
Stay tuned.
I just want to make it into a gelato.
Okay, we have to. And we called Nolan. He told us we just asked a hilarious question because we wanted to know if this board was facing the wrong way. But he said no.
What is this, hour 6 of the 2-hour project?
That's not too bad. A brief intermission to plan a trip
Yeah. Oh, we're planning our Disney trip.
while we build it.
Okay.
Okay.
45.
8:45 update.
We're not, we failed. Anywhere close to that.
But we have a thing built. Or wait, did we have it built last time?
Yeah, I think.
Oh.
I don't know actually.
Ta-da, we built it! We're at number, oh no.
Yeah.
Are we at number 33?
It's taking us a little bit. Well, not gonna lie, that took us a long time.
Yeah, we did hit a roadblock.
Alright, we're on 31. So I'm gonna be more realistic here and I'm gonna say at 9:15 we'll be on 40.
Okay, I think 43.
We're trying to get this door on, which, oh, I realized we scratched this one. We got one door on really well.
Too easy. Actually, Sydney jinxed us.
I think you said it. I did?
You were like, oh my gosh, this is so easy.
Okay. It's so hard to know.
It is feeling weird.
Tip with everyone. We learned this on our own, not with any help. Basically, if you try and shut this and it scrapes on any side, you can mess around with these guys, these two screws.
We had no idea.
No idea. We actually didn't know. Nolan told us.
So make sure we didn't have to call him because we took this off the hinge, like unscrewed it from the wall 3 times, and then it still wasn't working. So I was like, okay, clearly we're doing something wrong. And this screw back here makes sense that it would move it because you physically did. This guy could not tell you what the hell it did, but if you unscrew it a little bit, it maybe does something that makes it close.
Voila!
I have no idea how.
Also, it's been 4 hours, 45 minutes.
No, it has not.
Yeah, and it's like 10, I don't know, 15. So we should be done in 30. 11 minutes.
Is that regular video?
Yeah.
Or is that time lapse?
No, I just put it on regular.
Oh, I was like, we're gonna be like.
Thanks for watching us.
Oh my god, y'all. This is a lot longer than we thought. But this just proves that you can, in fact, do it. Should we get a close up of the.
Yeah, we should do it. And we also were talking, it's pretty funny because we painted a wall in Sydney and Chaz's house in Duluth. And then in Korea, we did a lot to the rooms.
Yeah, we did.
And then now we did our first project in Italy together.
Oh my gosh.
Feeling good.
I'm so proud of us.
And there she is.
Beautiful.
So we did do one thing. We decided not to do one thing because Ikea didn't give us the right screws for it.
And we used the different washer
Yeah.
or whatever this
So-
thing's called.
But we just kind of wanted to make it our own.
We also don't call any of these things by their real name. We call them like thingamabobs and that doohickey.
Thanks for watching our video of you can do hard things when your husband is gone.
I recommend having a friend for this because I feel like it would be
True.
difficult to lift some of the pieces together without someone else.
Yes.
So when IKEA tells you to have 2 people, maybe actually have 2 people.
Well, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Ciao!